Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial in Fusion 360 of how I drew the Hudson taillight lens. And the reason why I'm doing so is because there was quite a few features that I went over and used in modeling it that I thought would be kind of worthwhile to share. And some of those were revolve, split face, extrude, and move. So I figured it'd be worthwhile to do a little video, and here it is. 360 interface here, and so I'm just gonna point out a few things real quick. At the bottom here is your timeline, and so in parametric modeling you have kind of what's known as, exactly as I just said, a timeline. So you can roll back or you can go forward to kind of review your work. You can edit each of the little features. You know, you can go back and right click it, edit feature. So that's the extrude function, so you can change how much or how little you extruded it. The sketch that it's attached to, so roll history marker here, so it'll show exactly what was kind of transpiring at the time when I was working on that particular piece. So, but anyways, here is the finished design. I've got it, colored red because that's what I ended up 3D printing it in. But I'm just going to roll the marker back to when I first started, and right here you just have yourself a blank canvas. And what I did is I just picked a plane to start drawing on. And a little note here, all these bulbs on the sides are to show like the visibility. So like the bulb for sketches in its entirety was unclicked. So no matter what, you wouldn't be able to see any sketches, even though sketch 1, the light bulb, was clicked on. And kind of vice versa. So right there's kind of my original design when I started taking measurements off of my parent part. And over here was kind of another one I was fussing around with, but primary focus is going to be over here on this one. And so the next feature is the extrude. And what I did here is I just set it to pretty much create an object at a certain thickness. And the navigational cube's really nice. There's different portions you can click on to get different views, and it's really helpful. But you can free scroll it and all sorts of stuff like that. So from there I went and drew another sketch, and what I did there was I began the nose cone, and then moving on. So this is a function that I really like. This is revolve, and you can use sketch geometry just like what I had there, that single line, and it will create a solid body out of it. What I did here is, because I'm eventually wanting to create 2 different angles, I moved the body down, and then the next tool here is the split face. So pretty much just chop that off right there using this plane as a cutting tool. And another sketch. And really that one's hard to see. It's just a really small, a little bit smaller circle right there. And then I extruded that as well. You can see it a little bit better from underneath. But there's that. So that's kind of the little recession that I have in there. And then another sketch. Bada bing. And so right there, that's this will be solid. This is going to taper up into the nose cone. Another extrude. Fill that body in. And then I'm doing some more sketching here. And so what I did is I grabbed this point way down in here, and the reason I did that is to give it, you can kind of see it hidden back there, is to give it a little bit of meat so it's back inside the material And then revolve again, and there it is. So kind of a quick, dirty explanation of the functions and processes that I used for designing this part in Fusion 360. So if you appreciate the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.